Hi all, today I'm going to be installing some Eave Vents, which, well, as the name suggests, are vents that go in the eaves. So it's aluminium, it's got a screen on the back there which helps keep the insects and vermin out. What do we got here? Ideal for use with roof vents. Click the link up above for my roof vent install, which are also known as whirly birds. Did them on a metal roof and also on a tiled roof installation. It helps reduce the cooling costs in summer, prevent dampness and mould in the winter by allowing the hot air to be extracted in summer and the moist air in winter. What does it say here? You can use it interior or exterior, and they recommend you use 2 of these vents for each whirly bird you've got. Let's get into it. I've marked out a 370 by 170 millimeter rectangular hole for the cut. Obviously, if you're using a different brand of Eave vents or size, that you adjust your markings accordingly and just follow the instructions, whatever they say. And when you're selecting a location, make sure it's between the studs on the eave and that it's clear of any electrical and plumbing obstructions. So next thing is to just cut it out. Now the hole's cut, the eave's ready to be screwed in, but first just wanted to show you something. So the eaves have to face towards the house, so if you face it like that you can see through. So if you spin it around, put it like that, can't see in. So put it in that way with the vents facing towards the house. All done. Thanks for watching.